All right.
This is where it messes up people all over the place. This unit right here is what shifts down shifts, put you into reverse, neutral, drive, and all the way up. And watch this little valve here. See that little valve pushing that down?
Yeah.
That is kicking it back into low gear. So this is your drive.
Looks like there's an adjustment on there too, eh? It's threaded?
Yeah, but you don't want to adjust that.
Leave it, yeah.
Leave it. That's from the factory.
Okay.
Okay. Now, to take out this part, you'll notice on here, let me see a screwdriver. Little small screwdriver. Yeah, that one. You notice on the shaft here that it's got some serrations all the way down. And that is on this part right here.
Splined.
Yeah. Right. It goes on one way and one way only. This is where it hooks up your ball on your cable. And that's what moves the shifting. Or yeah, from low to drive and neutral and reverse and all that sort of thing.
Now he's saying there's a roll rubber O-ring in here.
Inside of here.
Inside there.
Okay, first off, what you want to do is take this 7/16 bolt loose. And then you see where the gap is. Hold this flashlight. See where this gap is right here. And what you want to do is spread that ever so slightly. See where I spread that?
Yeah.
And like I say, it's a booger to get out. I guess I'm going to have to spread him a little more. Come on, baby.
Well, then you pull this whole shaft out.
Yep.
Now you say it can only go in one way.
Right.
I mean, can it go on? Okay. I mean, you can accidentally put it on wrong?
Yeah.
So how do you know? How are you going to know without marking it?
Okay. When you put it back together,
yeah,
you put this into this position, this into this position, and it should just go right in there.
Okay.
But you got to, and I'll show you how to thread that first.
Okay, because it looks like that spline, you could put it in a bazillion different little...
Yep. That's one. And here is the other. And there's where that little bugger stays.
Okay.
It's right there.
You know, if I didn't change that, it would be leaking.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Okay.
Some WD-40 or
clean that hole.
So yeah, so I can get this all nice and clean.
Okay, we're gonna clean that up. All right, so.
All right, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is the O-ring we put in.
Yep, you took the old one off and you clean it with a wire brush,
right.
Groove.
Right.
And this is the old one in my hand. It's hard to see, but it was a flat.
Yep, and this one's still round.
That one's round.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now this has got to go back in with this straight down. And this goes through the hole that's here. And this goes this way because this was on this one. So, give me a light over here.
All right.
Please, sir.
Sure, let me give you a better light. There. Does that work for you?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me know.
that went on there.
Oops, sorry.
Not a problem. Okay, that's correct.
Like that saying, you don't know how rough I had it. I used to have to hold the flashlight for my old man.
Yeah.
Never doing it right. You got to oil the O-ring?
Yeah, we
Yeah?
will. Yeah.
A little oil on it.
Yep.
Just fight with it. No.
Okay.
You get her on there? You want some oil?
Yeah.
Just put a little tranny oil on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And there we are. And there we aren't. So I missed that. Here we go again. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Okay. We're there, and that's it. Here. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't bite me.
Oh, it's got to go into the center.
Right.
How do you do that, though? Oh. How's the gasket look? Still good?
Gasket?
Yeah, the rubber one you just put on. Over.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
It just looks like there's some goober on there.
Oh.
Next to it. Yeah, there's a little goober.
Yep.
Yeah, it's hard to.
I gotta get that free. There we go. There, it's all the way in. This does its job. Beautiful. There, it ain't going anywhere.
All right. So now what really confused me, not about this, about on this vehicle, is like, it's got my throttle going from here on a cable. And the other ones have a metal bar that goes back to the carburetors, and then you have a throttle cable that goes to the carburetors.
Right, but in a different place.
Yeah, but like I said, this on this vehicle, it's got my throttle cable connects to this with a threaded bar.
Right.
And then you have your metal linkage that goes up to your carburetors.
Right.
But most other vehicles that I see have your throttle cable going up to your carburetors, and then the metal bar comes down here to kick it up and down.
Right.
So that was just like something different that got changed.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah,
Yeah.
it got changed through.
So that
Had a
wouldn't
little
have,
problem with them.
but that wouldn't have been like a stock. Just it was altered, maybe. Or no?
I think the later stuff was altered insofar as they had problems with this setup here for the foot feet.
Because it's like
So-
61. That's why it was that way.
Right. That was the very first year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was so confused. Like when I was trying to tell you, like I'm like, because I'm looking at all the other ones I have here, and they're different. None of them have it set up like that.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. did you put a new shift cable in your truck?
This one has a new one in it.
It has a new one.
I think so. Something's new on there. I have to go look under.
All right.
I ordered a new shift cable for this one here behind you because this one was the one that was
all boogered up.
That was the one that they had made a ball on the end of it and changed it all.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
This one on the 61 ramp side was all normal and seemed good.
Okay. The reason I asked that was I needed to come around here. For you people that have, oops. Okay, for you folks that have put a new cable, shift cable in your vehicle, this nut right here that I'm pointing at is what you adjust your transmission to your new cable. So, in other words, on the dash, if you put it in drive and it doesn't go into drive, then this needs to be adjusted with an adjustment tool from Clark's.
This, yeah?
Right.
Sorry.
That loosens it so you can move it back and forth.
Oh, this gets, okay. All right.
That's how you do that. Make sure she's tight. Make sure she's nice and clean inside.
Yeah, I cleaned the heck out of it.
Yes, you did.
The screen wasn't, it was pretty clean. It had just a little bit of stuff on it.
Yeah.
And the oil pan wasn't too bad.
Right.
This ain't, this is all new, but.
Yeah.
All right. Now, we'll put that on. Is there certain torques on that, on these?
It is. I'd have to look in the book.
Okay.
Or on the paperwork for this pan.
I don't know if it even came with torque specs.
Really?
I think it was just the
Put it on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at when she's running.
Yeah.
When she's running and snug her up. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. I said I thought I had every tool I needed around here, and then I'm like, keep finding more stuff I need. So I ordered these very skinny wrenches on Amazon. They were cheap.
How much are set?
$35, $30.
That ain't bad. That ain't bad.
They had it set at Harbor Freight, and they were like way crazy expensive, and they were only just standards.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Cool.
they do the job.
You bet.
Okay.
And they're in a nice little pouch.
Yeah. Okay, I was asking Gary if we should put the governor on now.
Nope. Starter and the governor go on once it's in the car. Because of the oops factor.
Smacked it, hit it.
Break this, move it out of the way. It got it, so we cranked on it, whatever.
Okay. All right, we left. We didn't torque these or nothing because said we probably
Might have to take them back off.
take it back off to get the cable
In the slot,
in the slot.
the ball in the
Yeah,
slot.
I heard you can get it in there.
Yes,
But-
you can.
It might not get it in there.
Right.
This one came out real easy.
Oh, they come out great.
Yeah.
Going back in, that's
Yeah.
the bitch.
Okay.
All right.